Hello guys, welcome to Automation Testing and DevOps Conceptual Training Session 3. In this session, you can learn the best automation testing tools available in the market along with key features. So whenever we are talking about best automation testing tool, right, Selenium will definitely come into the mind, right, for any user or any customer or any organization. So there are few of the key features available for Selenium. That is the reason it is widely used popular tool. So Selenium most popular and widely used open source automation tool for especially for web application testing. It supported programming language like C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP. It supported different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Safari, etc. Testing on local or on remote machine is possible with the help of Selenium Grid. Selenium support various operating systems like Mac, Linux and Windows. Parallel and cross-browser execution to reduce execution time and increase test coverage, which is another major advantage of Selenium. Integration with other testing framework like TestNG for reporting and CI/CD tools like Jenkins is also possible with Selenium. The powerful Selenium WebDriver help user to create more complex and advanced automation script. Selenium support headless browser test execution, where in case suppose if in any of the operating system there is no browser installed, still you can do the testing with the help of Selenium. Then Appium, Selenium, Appium is also an open source automation testing tool, but especially for mobile application testing. Using mobile JSON-wire protocol, Appium allow user to write automated UI test for native web-based and hybrid mobile application on both Android and iOS device. It supported programming language like Perl, Ruby, PHP, JavaScript, Java, CS and Python. Remote testing capability for large distributed team, which helps multiple teams spread around the world to run tests in a collaborative fashion with the help of Appium. Cross-platform testing with reusable test script and same API is also possible with the help of the Appium. Execution across real device, simulator and emulator is also possible with that Appium tool. Appium generate detailed report and dashboard which will help tester truly understand their application nature. Integration with other testing framework and CI/CD tool also very easy using Appium. Write inside including detailed test data, performance data, test screenshot and test video also possible. That is the another key advantage or feature of the Appium. So just Selenium and Appium both are open source tool, so user no need to pay any licensing cost. So that is the reason, right, whereas Selenium is primarily used for or more powerful tool for web application testing, whereas Appium is more powerful for mobile application testing. Then Katalon. So Katalon basic free version and feature rich pro version is also available. In case you would require more features, so you need to pay the licensing cost for the Katalon. Katalon is a test automation tool based on automation framework of Selenium and Appium. It supports parallel and sequential execution and can perform remote and local testing. It supports different testing methodologies like BDD, keyword-driven testing, cross-browser testing, and cross-platform mobile testing. Reusable test object, keyword, and test case with test artifact sharing and page object model design is one of the key features of Katalon. Smart debugging UI and test reporting to troubleshoot failure quickly is also possible using Katalon. Large number of pre-installed templates that can help team get off the ground fast and easy, right? It is also another key feature of Katalon. API testing can be carried out without the need of any extra integration, as well as great integration with DEVOPS and CI/CD tools. CI workflow is also available using Katalon. Then Cypress will come, so which is open source automation tool, fast, reliable and simple to use. Cypress written in JavaScript and built on the top of WebDriver and Node.js. It's developer-centric automation tool for end-to-end web application testing. Control over function behavior, server response timer and network traffic, which is one of the most key feature of Cypress. Connection to dashboard service for test performance and optimization is also possible using Cypress. It is very simple to install with no extra dependency. Easily got the test snapshot right from the command log also, which is the another key feature of Cypress. Then Tricentis Tosca. So nowadays, in case we are talking about less coding related tool, testing tool through which we need to automate, right? So definitely Tricentis Tosca will come into the mind to the business user. So it's comprehensive automation tool for web, API, mobile and desktop testing. But the thing is that tool is not completely free. If you want to use the tool, you have to pay the licensing cost. Build codeless resilient automated test through a unique approach that separate the technical information of an application with the automation model. That is the very key major feature of Tricentis Tosca. Unique model-based testing approach, allowing user to scan an application's UI or API to create a business familiar model for test creation and maintenance, is also a key feature of Tricentis Tosca. Risk-based test optimization with smart test design and requirement prioritization, along with service visualization to simulate and build realistic testing environment, also possible using Tricentis Tosca. API scanning with extensive support for API technology and parallel and cross platform testing, also key feature of Tricentis Tosca. It can be integrated with other testing framework and CI/CD tool easily. Enhanced web-based reporting solution which helps team to get rapid actionable insight into their testing progress so that they can release with more confidence. So these are the different key features available in Tricentis Tosca. That is the reason nowadays, lots of organizations are using Tricentis Tosca, though it is a paid one. Then Cucumber. It's open source behavior driven development tool. The main importance is that of the Cucumber, that non-programmer also can interact, with the business analyst, the project manager, the scrum master, product owner, developer, tester. Everyone can interact and contribute, especially for the feature creation part. Mainly used to write acceptance tests for web application as per the behavior of their functionality. One of the best open source automation tool for testing, which support different language like Ruby, Java, Scala, Groovy, etc. Drafting test case is joint effort of tester, developer and customer. Test code is written in simple English called jargon language. Cucumber code can be executed on different framework like Selenium, Ruby, etc. The testing environments, setup and execution both are very quickly and easy. That are the very important key feature of Cucumber. Then Ranorex Studio. So it is a commercial tool, so you need to buy the license, though it is used to automate GUI testing for web, mobile and desktop application. It supported different programming language like VB, .NET and C#. Flexible method for test design like record and playback and scripting mode is also available in Ranorex Studio. Distributed or parallel testing with Selenium Grid also possible. It offers a shareable object repository which can save tester a lot of time. Ranorex Studio can be integrated easily with different tools, especially CI/CD tool like Git, Jenkins, TestRail and Mambo. Built-in image comparison engine and the codeless test creation can make things very easy. Ranorex Studio offers video reporting of test execution, which allow tester to follow everything that happened without rerunning the test. That is the one of the key important feature. So you can record it as the part of the video. So in case next time you need to analyze it, instead of running them, you just go through the video and you can find the problem or issue there from the recording itself. Then the UFT. So UFT is also a commercial tool, so you need to buy the license, not a free tool, which originally allows its user to test desktop, web and mobile application testing. It also offers features for API testing. Nowadays, few of the customer organizations are using UFT for API testing as well. UFT supports object recognition of object which are embedded in another, such as ActiveX or Java component embedded in a browser. So sometimes object identification might be a challenge, just like the tool using Selenium. But UFT is having the right inbuilt feature through which even the complex scenario, right, where object identification is really trouble, we can also do it easily using UFT. It facilitates user to install add-in for ALM and run result viewer with the installation package. So in case you are buying the licensing cost, right, automatically add-on will come for the ALM and the run result viewer, so that you no need to integrate it, right? It will be installation complete package will be there, so that with minimal intervention you can easily integrate with the tool called ALM for the test management perspective. It running test using EFT install on a remote window machine even after logging out of the machine is possible. Single sign-on or SSO with Jenkins ensures that automated process adhere to corporate policy, right? There will be no violation. Then LambdaTest. So for the LambdaTest, free trial version is also available, especially for one user. But in case you want to use like for multiple tester, right, you have to go for the commercial, go for the licensing part, right? You need to pay the license. There are 10 pricing edition available, which will start from right $0 to $159 per month. Cloud-based cross-browser testing platform where user can fasten their release speed with high-end test automation on the cloud. LambdaTest supports a wide range of framework and tools integration for web testing and app test automation, such as Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, right, Puppet, Appium, etc. Integration with other testing framework and CI/CD tool can be easily done using LambdaTest. Get accurate and automated reporting, which downloadable in different format, also key feature of the LambdaTest. It checks for progress using a real-time dashboard and know what other teammates are up to with project management tool integration. LambdaTest integrates with 200 plus tools that deal with project management and so on. It enables screen recording and automated screenshot testing on several combinations at a time. Then the Postman. Primarily, it's a tool used for API testing. So free plans for individual to enterprise plan for the whole organization is also available for the Postman. One of the most widely used automation testing tool for API. It's allow user to write different kind of tests from functional integration to regression test and execute them automatically in CI/CD pipeline via the command line. Friendly and easy to use interface equipped with code snippet. Postman support for multiple HTML method, Swagger and RML formats. Test suite creation, execution and parameterization, right, and debugging also key feature of Postman. It create, send and save REST, SOAP UI or GraphQL request. Combination of monitor and environment allow user to monitor against different development environment. That is another key feature of Postman. Then the Playwright tool, which is also a commercial tool, quite easy to configure and do the setup. It supports functional end-to-end and API testing. Multi-browser testing using Firefox, Edge, Chrome and Safari is also possible using Playwright. It supports different programming language like Python, JavaScript, Java, C#. It enables the capability of parallel browser testing. Playwright supports native mobile emulation of Google Chrome for Android and mobile Safari. Configure test retry strategy, capture execution test, video, screenshot to eliminate flex, which is the one of the key important feature of the Playwright. It inspect page, generate selector, step through the test execution, see click point and export execution log. Playwright lastly supports CI/CD integration including Docker image for some language binding. The next one, TestComplete, which is also a commercial tool used to automate functional UI testing for desktop, mobile and web application. TestComplete handle and identify dynamic UI element in most available technology. It has quite flexible method for test design like record and playback, manual and scripting modes, which is the built-in keyword with built-in keyword. TestComplete save time creating and maintaining tests by accurately identifying dynamic UI element with both property-based and artificial intelligence power visual recognition. It supports parallel, cross-browser and cross-device testing. It creates automated functional UI tests without any programming language. With an easy-to-use command-line interface and REST API, user can integrate their automated test into continuous integration tools such as Jenkins and Azure DevOps, open source systems such as Git, and bug taking tools such as Jira, which is another key feature of TestComplete. So these are the different 12 tool, right, with the key features I have tried to demonstrate here. But it is not like that these are the only 12 tools available in the market. Apart from that, there are so many tools available nowadays. Few of the like license tool, few of the free tool, just like the RFT rational functional tester, right? Silk test. These are the kind of license tool, and so many other free tool also available. Okay, so definitely it will driven based on the organization customer need, and based on the different capability, right, based on the different type of application you are testing, based on the different platform. So that way, right, whenever you will be starting the automation testing, you need to do the POC or the proof of concept, right, where you will identify that which tool will be suiting for your project, right, for your technology, based on your organization, based on your customer. Then you can proceed with the relevant key features. That's all from today's session. Thank you.